Our topic today is the personal A. So learn about direct object pronouns. You know that the direct object is the person or thing that receives the action of a verb. For example, I bought the shirt. Which word is the direct object? The shirt, because you're going to ask the question, what did I buy or who? In this case, who would not apply. So what did I buy? The shirt. So who in this case would not apply. So you'd ask, what did I buy? The shirt. Unlike English, whenever a specific person or group of people is the direct object of a verb in Spanish, the personal a must be used. It is used before the person that is the direct object. That's why it's called la personal or the personal a. In other words, if a person is being verbed, like invited, looked at, known, etc., you must add an a before the person. Let's see some examples. Which one of these sentences need a personal a? The first one, quiero visitar el aeropuerto. The second one, quiero visitar mis hermanos. So here, this is what you do. You're going to ask your verb, what? What do I want to visit? The airport, okay? El aeropuerto. ¿Qué quiero visitar? El aeropuerto. El aeropuerto is not a person, so it does not require an A here because your direct object is a thing, not a person. But look at this. Quiero visitar who? Whom? ¿Quién? Mis hermanos. So this is a group of people. So if your direct object is a person or a group of people, you must have an A before it. So you should have quiero visitar a mis amigos, mis hermanos. So you should have quiero visitar a mis hermanos. I know you might be asking, what is the meaning of this A here? Nothing. There is no meaning. It's just required that if your direct object is a person or a group of people, you must have an A there. The A doesn't mean anything, and we have nothing similar in English. In Spanish, it is simply correct, grammatically correct, to put the personal A before a direct object that is a person. That's it. Sometimes we need to say the word the after the personal A. For example, I see the woman. Yo veo a la mujer. So it's important that you just don't put yo veo a mujer, yo veo a la mujer, okay? There are 4 ways to do this. A la if the person is feminine and singular. Al if the person is masculine singular. Remember, you cannot use a él. A las if the person is feminine and plural. A los if the person is masculine plural. What's wrong with this following sentence? Quiero visitar a el agente de viajes. So, quiero visitar quién? We know agente de viajes is a person, but there is a mistake here. The problem is that you cannot have a él. You need to have al agente de viajes. We can also use the personal a when the direct object is an animal, especially a pet. Busco a mi gato. Okay? We usually do not use the personal a after the verb. We usually do not use the personal a after the verb tener. This is true even if the direct object is a person. For example, tengo what? Muchos tíos. Okay? I know tíos would say, wow, but they're people. Yes, but because you use the verb tener, generally the question is what? Okay? So you don't use the personal a. So just a quick review before the direct object. When the direct object is a person or people, you need to use a. When the direct object is an animal, not after the verb tener. Awesome. Now, I would like you to pause, okay, to do this practice. Read the sentence and decide if an a personal or la personal is necessary, okay? Veo la televisión. Veo, busco mis hermanos. Tienes muchos primos. Ella invita me a la fiesta. Well, here's the answer. Veo la televisión, no a, because it's a thing. Busco a mis hermanos, because mis hermanos is a direct person. They are people, okay? Direct object, people. Tienes muchos primos. Why not here? Because you're using the verb tener. And ella invita a mí, direct object that is a person, a la fiesta. Well, that's all. Well, that's all for this class. Well, that's all for this lesson. If you have questions, you can ask me in class. Thanks for watching.